anybody's wondering how to get their front bumper cover off of Promaster City, very easy. You have some screws across the top. You have some screws on the bottom. The only bugger is one of these little plastic screw rivets. You basically have to cut it off. So you get your triangle piece loosened. Just kind of peel back this fender liner. Pull this back, and you can reach back in here. Just snip the plastic plastic rivet out of here, and just go to Napa and buy a new one. That's the easiest thing to do. So. Okay, next step, after the bumper, you need to take this crossbar off. The crossbar gets mounted here, and it goes across the front of the van. So, one 6mm Allen bolt with a 16mm, 4 of those, and this bar should fall right out. Okay, next step is to reach down in here and unclip the holder for the AC lines. Okay, when looking down inside the van, there's a little plastic tab. You just push in that little tab and pull up on the fan. There's one here and there's one here. Same principle. There's a little tab you just push in and pull up gently. This will actually lift up and then slide out. It just falls right out of the bottom of the vehicle. This AC clamp just hooks into here. And like I say, just squeeze these little plastic tabs together and pull it out of the housing. I put the AC clamp on after I got the fan installed. It was just one more thing to get caught up and stuff. The fan goes in really easy. Just bring it up for the bottom, high enough to let it set in its little notches, and it clips right in. And then I put the AC clamp on, hooked the power up, and I think I'm ready to put the van back together. 90 degrees outside, AC's on, and this fan is working perfectly. So, Dorman Fan off of eBay, about $100. And if you're got a little bit of mechanical savvy, it's easy to take this bumper off. To loosen up, remove all the screws, remove the plastic rivets in the corner, and this thing just peels off. Fairly easy project to do. So, alright. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.